it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to make a tofu parmesan, and I'm showing you how to make it in sandwich form, but this would also be really good served over top of spaghetti noodles. So it's super versatile, super easy to make. Obviously tofu is not a perfect replica of chicken, but I don't mind the texture of it in this. I actually quite like tofu. So if you like tofu, you will definitely like this recipe, and that is everything I have to say for now. So let's get into it.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do obviously is grab your block of tofu, and then I like to cut mine in half and cut each half into 3 pieces like this. Then in a mixing bowl, you want to combine your powdered egg replacer and water, whisk that together until smooth, and then set it aside. This is the Bob's Red Mill powdered egg replacer. And then after about 5 minutes, once it has kind of gelatinized, I don't know if that's the word, you can dip the tofu pieces into the egg replacer mixture and then dip them into the flour and breadcrumb mixture. You can also add whatever you want to the breadcrumb mixture. I like to add salt and pepper while I'm cooking them in the pan, as you will see, but you can add whatever kind of seasonings you like. And then you want to add some oil to a frying pan. Once the oil is hot, you can add the tofu slabs to the frying pan and cook them until they are golden brown on both sides. It's about 4 minutes per side, and like I said, I like to sprinkle on some salt and pepper while they're cooking in the pan, but you could also do onion powder, garlic powder, whatever strikes your fancy, but I just like to keep it super simple for this. And again, on the other side, I just add some cracked black pepper and salt. Once those have crisped up, you can add your marinara sauce to a baking dish and spread it out so that it is coating the bottom. It doesn't have to be a super thick layer. And then you can add your tofu pieces. I ended up doing 4 of them because that perfectly fit in my pan and it was super satisfying. And then you want to add your marinara sauce over top and again, just spread it out. Then you can add on your vegan cheese, so I'm using the Earth Island shreds here because that's what I had on hand. And then I also shook on some vegan parm. This is the brand Go Veggie. This is optional, but you know, since it's called Tofu Parm, I wanted to add some parm. In my cookbook, I also have a recipe for homemade vegan Parmesan cheese, which is super easy, so definitely check that out. I will link my cookbook below. Then you just want to bake that for about 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is melted. And while that's happening, you can prepare your bread. So I used a baguette for this just to make it kind of nice and fancy, and I buttered both sides and then toasted the bread after taking the tofu parm out of the oven. And as you can see, it's nice and kind of melted and golden on top. And then I just add the tofu slabs to the bread. I added a little bit more of vegan parm, and you can add, you know, a little bit more seasoning if you like, some dried parsley like I did here, and that is it. Like I said, you can totally add these to pasta as well, but these sandwiches are super filling, protein packed, but also flavor packed as well. And I know you guys are going to absolutely love them.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and definitely if you enjoy my videos on my channel, pick up a copy of my cookbook. It's called Liv B's Vegan on a Budget, and it has 112 budget-friendly vegan recipes that range from breakfast to dessert. They're all super simple, made with ingredients that you can find at pretty much any grocery store. You don't have to go to any specialty stores. And yeah, everything's just really good. So I know a lot of you guys probably have heard me talk about my book, but for those who haven't, it is sold on Amazon, online on some bookstores. It was in Canadian Costco at one point, Indigo, Barnes & Noble in the States, and then if you live abroad, you can get it on Amazon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.